Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, beautiful weather as we get ready to welcome in sort of the last gasp of May, the beginning of June, kind of splitting it right down the middle as we get into the weekend here. Amazing to see we're already getting to June, but the weather slowly starting to quiet down, getting into that early summer-like pattern. That said, we've got a little bit of activity out there tonight, mainly some thunderstorms that continue to fire up across parts of the Cascades. This good news is the computer models pretty much had locked in on this last couple of days, so that tells me that they've got a real good handle on the dynamics or sort of all the ingredients of the atmosphere, which means we've got a real good confidence in our forecast here. So this is all being aided as the jet stream continues to push northwest through the state, kind of like crossing across, let's say, down towards Gold Beach as you go up into Deschutes County. And so what that's doing is it's providing a little bit of extra lift, basically just sort of taking the moisture coming in off the ocean too and just kind of throwing it up in the air like that, right? Now look at this storm cell just north of Lapine, creeping its way from around Sun River to Bend. Lots of lightning strikes within that as well. Also lets me know it probably has some small hail that's dropping because the hailstones kind of hit each other as they get up into the cloud, and that creates a little bit of extra, sort of friction, so to speak, separation of the charges, and that's when you get the lightning strikes going down. A couple of other ones north of Madras as well. Folks headed out into Central Oregon. If you're watching us there, certainly do not head outside the next couple of, well, give it about 15, 20 minutes. Let those kind of ride through, and then you should be fine. Nice today. Temperatures up into the mid-70s. Started off a nice cool start in around 43 this morning. And across the state, nice to see the 70s and 80s back on the board. Real strong easterly wind there across the Dalles and Pendleton. Temperatures there sitting in the 80s as they continue to dry out very quickly. Morning cloud cover kept everybody in the valley here in the 70s, 80s getting down to Medford, 61 in Newport, and around 63 in North Bend. All right, if you headed out tonight to Goss, first pitch in just about an hour and some change. It'll be gorgeous tonight. Great night for baseball. A little chilly as we get in towards the back end of the game in the mid to low 60s. Right now, temperatures sitting in the low 70s up and down the valley. A little warmer down in Roseburg in the upper 70s, sitting at 57 in both Florence and Newport, and 60s as you get out into the mountains. So overnight tonight, we'll see the fog start to move back in towards parts of the valley and also along the coast as well. And then we'll be looking at things quieting down as we head towards tomorrow. So here's how it starts off. A lot of cloud cover in the morning. Should see that start to work its way out as we head into the afternoon. Kind of stirs up by a lot of the sunshine that is, stirs all that cloud cover up. And then again, we've got a little bit of convective activity for tomorrow afternoon. This is because the jet stream's going around this high and then kind of firing back to the north as it does. This is what we'll be watching for over the next couple of days. Again, morning clouds, some afternoon sun, no problems there, and should be a relatively quiet weekend forecast. All right, for the coast, morning sun, or morning clouds, flip that, sunny by the afternoon. We'll see the temperatures in the low 60s. As we head into the Umpqua Basin, a good looking forecast as well. Around 76 as you get to Elkton, close to 78 in both Roseburg and down to Myrtle Creek. In the Cascades, mostly sunny and isolated thunderstorms for tomorrow, the next couple of days. Central Oregon, mostly sunny, warm as well. We'll see the temperatures in the mid-70s and also mid-70s for us here across the valley. Great forecast overall for the weekend. A little bit of drizzle with a disturbance that comes through on Tuesday. Then as we get in towards the Umpqua, should be very, very quiet. Upper 70s the next couple of days and low 80s. Cascades, few isolated thunderstorms. Tomorrow, Monday and Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, that is. And here in the Willamette Valley, we'll see the temperatures in the mid-70s. And I got to tell you, I about died in the middle of that newscast here. Renee tried to save me to let me know there's a step over there.
I was teasing you.
I know. Holy moly. Good thing I got thick shoes on. That's all I'm saying.
You got a sign.
Yes, I do.
All right.